relaxing in the grass. Good day. Train, train, train of life. You never look back and you never think twice. Oh no, no, no. Chug, chug, you chug it all. You finish the bottle and your problems resolved. Oh no, no, oh no. Pop, pop your life away. The thoughts show up on your unlucky day. Oh no, no, oh no. You can chug a chug chug, pop a pop pop, take a chew chew, snip pop. You can be anything that you wanna be. All you have to do is dooby dooby doo, dooby dooby doo. Talking, the good guys are smoking. The more we be cheating, the more we'll be joking. Oh yeah, yeah, oh yeah. I'ma be me and you will be you. What's right and what's wrong is not for others to choose. No, it's not for them to choose. You can chug, 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 pop, 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 chick a choo choo, snip pop. You can be anything that you want. All you have to do is dooby dooby doo, dooby dooby doo. Pop, pop, pop those pills, little capsules of chemicals, and they kill. Yeah, and they kill. I say everything is okay in moderation, every once in a while on a special occasion. Oh yeah,